Thank you so much for that feedback. In fact, hindi lang naman isa yung nagsasabi na napakasarap ng ageless coffee. Ang dami po nating na-receive na reviews and feedback from a lot of our customers na yun ang unang pinaka nasasatisfy sila. Yung lasa daw, masarap. Iba-iba na nga yung description eh. Merong lasang caramel macchiato, may lasang white mocha daw. Yung iba sabi lasang chocolates. Meron pa nga nagsabi parang milk tea. Meron pang vanilla ice cream, coffee crumble, all the delicious things. Yun yung na-attribute nila sa lasa ng ageless coffee. And I'm very, very thankful and happy na na-achieve po namin yung gusto talaga naming ma-achieve to begin with. Kasi, ang paniwala ko, personally, na kapag healthy ang coffee o kaya any healthy drink for that matter, okay lang kahit ano na lang ang lasa niyan, tatanggapin ko na total healthy naman. But then we realized na syempre iba pa rin kapag masarap yung healthy drink, 'di ba? Kaya dito po sa Ageless Coffee, hindi kami nakontento na isang beses lang namin tinikman and then inapprove. No, we had actually 3 to 4 revisions before we finally approved yung lasa na akmang-akma sa different generations ng adult. So kami, may mga 40s, syempre sanay tayo sa kape lang. Tapos may konting tamis, di ba? Pero syempre ang priority na natin yung hindi na sana packed with sugar. Kaya stevia po ang nilagay natin. And we still ended up with a delicious coffee drink mix. Tapos sa mga Gen Z naman, nakaedad ng anak ko, syempre kailangan masatisfy din natin yung panlasa nila na alam nyo na pang coffee shop. So na-achieve naman po natin yan and na-confirm natin yan through the reviews and feedback of our certified ka-ageless. Kasi alam nyo po, when we were conceptualizing this healthy coffee drink mix, hindi namin hinuli na i-prioritize ang lasa. Talagang alam na naman natin na makakapagbigay ito ng iba't ibang benefits. Imagine there are 11 active ingredients here, tapos stevia sweetened pa. So alam namin na it's gonna be good, kaya lang, will it taste good? So yan po ang malalasahan ninyo sa Ageless Coffee. It's really up to you kung kailan nyo po titikman, but definitely, based on all the reviews, sabihin na natin, 99% of the reviews, sinasabi po nila, talagang masarap po ang Ageless Coffee. And this beautiful box right here, hindi lang po puro beauty ang hatid niyan, may sarap din. And that's what makes me really happy, guys. Thank you so much.